This is the installation procedure for the VC8201 dual head camera system. The package contains everything you need for installation. Take a quick look at this demonstration to see how simple installation of the VC8201 is. Step 1. Drill a 50mm hole in the ceiling panel. Step 2. Route the connection cable through the hole and connect it to the camera unit. Step 3. Raise the retention clips and insert the camera unit into the ceiling. The clips will hold the camera firmly in place without the need for screws. Step 4. Adjust the camera angle with a Phillips type screwdriver. Using this technique, the camera can be pointed in any direction. Step 5. Attach the magnetic top cover. It simply snaps into place. Finally, connect the cable to the VC8201 video core and power the video core and camera units with either 12V DC or PoE. Your installation is complete. Thanks for watching.